Yeah, hi guys. Today I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on the FOH setup, front of house setup for the Midas M32 mixer and the M32R mixer with the DL32 engine. Basically, the reason I'm doing this video was because I looked for this tutorial on YouTube and I couldn't find it. It was difficult, but I had to read the manual to be able to do this video for you. This setup here is a very basic one. We have the wireless rack, we have the bar soft amplifier rack for the monitors, and we have the power distribution box. Now, you know, in sound setup, the most important thing you have to do is make sure that your cablings are right. And for this setup, I'm going to start with the cabling. And now, I'm going to take this Cat 5 cable, and on the back of the mixer, you have the AS50, which is for your DL32 engine. I'm going to patch on A on the mixer. And on the DL32, I'm going to patch on A. Now, this is done in the case when the M32 mixer is your main mixer. And you can still do it any other way, depending on your choice. And this is going to be my FOH, which is my front of house mixer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to patch on A on the mixer. And on the DL engine, I'm going to patch on B. Now the cabling is done. The next step is to go to the mixer and patch carefully and make sure that everything is working properly. Please, if you can come to the DL engine, you can see that the B is on green and the A is blinking. When you notice this, know that your connections are okay. The only thing you have to do is you have to do a right patching on your mixer. And once that is done, you're ready to go. Now, for the mixer, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go straight to routing, and I'm going to change from local 1 to 8 all the way to 32, from local to AS50A all the way to 32. Once this is done, I'll go to my setup. You can see my sample rate on 48 kilohertz and synchronization on internal. I leave this synchronization on internal because I want to use this one as the main mixer for the FOH setup. Now I'm going to the second mixer, the other mixer. I'm going to go straight also to the routing. And on the routing, I'm going to do the same thing that I did for the other mixer. Once I've done this, then I'll go to the setup. On the setup, as you can see on global, I'm going to change the synchronization from internal to AS50A to get a perfect connection patching for both mixers. Once this is done, you can see on the screen here on the upper right, you can see the A comes on green, and on the DL engine you can see the A also on green. Okay, the best way to prove this to you, I have a wireless mic that is patched on 3. And I'm going to speak on this mic, and you can see the signal coming on both mixers. Hey, 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 hey. You can see on this mixer, which is the main, you can see the signal. And on the other mixer, as I speak, hey, 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 hey. You can see the signal also. So the reason I made this video, guys, was because I looked for this video myself for a while and I couldn't get it. And a friend of mine sent me a manual to be able to make this video for you. So I hope you learned a lot from this video. If you did, you can hit the like button and the subscribe button, and make sure to push the bell button on the subscribe so you can get notifications when I make more videos like this. Thank you very much.